Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Colors play a vital role in human life. Psychologists have shown that colors can deeply influence our emotions, behaviors, and even decision-making processes. For instance, warm colors such as red and orange often stimulate feelings of excitement and urgency, which is why they are commonly used in sales or fast food branding. In contrast, cool colors like blue and green tend to promote calmness and relaxation and are frequently seen in hospitals, classrooms, and meditation spaces. Historically, colors carried symbolic meanings in different cultures. In ancient Egypt, blue was associated with the divine and eternal life, while in China, red has long been a symbol of luck and prosperity. In art, colors have been used deliberately by painters to convey mood, meaning, and emotion. Moreover, modern science highlights how color impacts practical aspects of life. Marketers use color psychology to influence customer choices, while interior designers carefully choose palettes to shape moods within spaces. Even in education, colorful visuals enhance memory and retention. Therefore, the significance of colors extends across history, culture, psychology, and everyday life, making them one of the most powerful elements of human experience. The lecture emphasized the importance of colors in human life, highlighting their influence on emotions, behavior, and decisions. Warm colors like red create excitement, while cool colors like blue promote calmness. Historically, colors had symbolic meanings, such as blue in Egypt representing divinity and red in China symbolizing prosperity. Artists use colors to express emotions, and modern fields like marketing, design, and education apply color psychology to shape moods and improve memory. Overall, the lecture showed that colors hold cultural, psychological, and practical significance in society. Mindfulness meditation for stress reduction. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing attention on the present moment with non-judgmental awareness. Research highlights its effectiveness in reducing stress, anxiety, and depression by lowering cortisol levels and calming the nervous system. Regular practice improves emotional regulation, concentration, and resilience. Mindfulness is incorporated in therapies for chronic pain and mental health disorders. Accessible through apps and classes, it empowers individuals to manage daily pressures and enhance overall well-being. Mindfulness meditation helps reduce stress and anxiety by promoting present moment awareness. It lowers stress hormones and improves focus and emotional control. Used in therapy and daily practice, it boosts mental health and resilience. Antipathy refers to a deep feeling of dislike, hostility, or opposition toward a person, idea, or situation. Unlike simple disagreement, antipathy carries a stronger emotional weight and often persists over time. Psychologists describe it as an instinctive reaction that can influence both personal relationships and larger social dynamics. For instance, individuals may develop antipathy towards certain political ideologies or cultural practices that conflict with their values. Historically, antipathy has shaped societies. Religious conflicts, racial prejudice, and even wars have often been fueled by strong feelings of antipathy between groups. However, it is important to note that while antipathy can divide communities, it can also inspire reform. From a personal perspective, unchecked antipathy can be harmful, leading to bias and discrimination. Yet, if managed carefully, it can be a source of motivation, pushing people to stand against corruption, unfair practices, or harmful traditions. Therefore, antipathy is a powerful emotional force that can either create division or inspire progress, depending on how it is directed and expressed. The lecture explained that antipathy is a strong feeling of dislike or hostility that goes beyond simple disagreement. It often influences relationships, politics, and societies. Historically, it has caused conflicts, but it has also fueled reforms when directed against injustice. On a personal level, it can lead to prejudice if unchecked, yet it may also motivate people to oppose corruption or inequality. Overall, the speaker emphasized that antipathy is a powerful emotion that can be destructive or constructive depending on its use. Natural disasters are sudden and extreme events caused by natural forces of the earth, and they can have devastating effects on human life, property, and the environment. Common types include earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, volcanic eruptions, and wildfires. The impact of these disasters is not only physical but also social and economic. Lives are lost, infrastructure is destroyed, and entire communities may be displaced. For example, the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami claimed hundreds of thousands of lives, and more recently, massive wildfires in Australia and California caused widespread destruction. Beyond immediate damage, such disasters can disrupt education, healthcare, and employment, creating long-term consequences. Governments and organizations worldwide invest heavily in disaster management and early warning systems. Preparedness, such as building earthquake-resistant structures, creating evacuation plans, and educating communities, plays a crucial role in minimizing risks. Ultimately, while humans cannot stop natural disasters, awareness, preparation, and resilience can significantly reduce their impact. The lecture discussed natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, and wildfires, which result from natural forces and cause heavy damage. The speaker explained how these events not only destroy infrastructure but also affect societies and economies. Examples included the 2004 tsunami and recent wildfires. Governments are working on disaster management, early warning systems, and preparedness to reduce risks. Climate change is making disasters more frequent, and international cooperation is needed. The key message was that awareness and resilience can reduce their impact. The future of space tourism. Space tourism is an emerging industry offering commercial travel beyond Earth's atmosphere. Advances in reusable rocket technology have lowered costs and improved safety, enabling private companies to plan flights for civilians. Space tourism promises unique experiences like weightlessness and Earth views, sparking excitement about space exploration. Regulatory challenges and environmental concerns remain, but ongoing innovations aim to make space travel more accessible and sustainable. This new frontier could revolutionize travel and inspire scientific interest worldwide. Space tourism is growing, with private companies making space travel safer and cheaper. It offers novel experiences like weightlessness and Earth views. While challenges exist, it could transform travel and inspire global interest in space. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.